Navigating the housing market can be very tricky right now. That's why having a real estate pro by your side is crucial. Here are 5 ways we can help. First, contracts. We handle all the paperwork and disclosure so you don't have to stress about it. Second, experience. We know that the sales process inside out, guiding you every step of the way. Third, negotiating. We negotiate on your behalf, ensuring the best interests are always front and center. Fourth, industry expertise. We explain the market conditions, key terms, making everything clear and simple. And lastly, pricing. We use our local market knowledge to set the price, helping you buy or sell the best value. So if you're thinking of making a move soon, be sure to make sure you talk to a real estate pro like myself, and we love to see you if you're a good fit for working together. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs. Give me a call for a buyer's consultation or a seller's consultation if you're selling at 773-550-4846.